Does MOAB count? Actually, no. It wasn't shown on screen, but those recommended characters were recovered in the ORD. Simply put, the 6 of us are 3 pairs of opposites. I, purple, am the smart one, and green is, well, the not-so-smart one. Red is the humorous one, and blue is the serious one. Finally, white is the nice one, and yellow is the mean one. Getting scrambled mixes up our personalities. I'm not exactly sure why.
Only by ourselves. We try to solve ourselves as quickly as possible whenever we're scrambled.
Hey, why don't we see who's gonna go next?